Go. Again. Do it again. Bend down a little. Bend down a little, Marissa. Stay still. Stay still. Go lower. Woo.
Much action. Come by me now.
Go closer. Go closer. He wants it. Go, go. You gotta go lower. Bend down to your knees.
Yay.
Good?
You're on video. Go ahead.
Yeah?
Yay.
You like that? Yeah. One more, Marissa. No, just wait. He's got to be comfortable. He's got to be comfortable.
Don't worry,
Come on.
you won't go anywhere.
They're good for flying on roofs and stuff like that.
They're trained well.
Yeah. There you go.
Okay, you go up to him.
You guys want to see
Stay
the
there.
wildlife show?
Stay there.
Right this way. Yeah, no problem. We're just talking. We're waiting for you.
Put your hand lower to the thing.
We'll be right in there, okay?
Did I take your little thing? Here, put it down. I don't see peacock.
See how he done.